Hello everybody, welcome back to How to Solution. In this video, I'm about to show you guys how to add Stripe payment gateway on Shopify easily in this tutorial. So first of all guys, open up your Shopify admin account and go straight and click settings on the left down corner. And tap on payments from over here. And in order to add Stripe as a payment method, you need to click on choose a provider. And then you guys need to search for Stripe and then click on Stripe and it will take you guys to another window. So you can set up your Shopify account with Stripe. Now if you guys already have an account on Stripe, you can just log in, or if you don't have an account, you need to create one on stripe.com. So then guys, just sign in with your new Stripe account and connect it with Shopify account. So you can be able to accept payments or as a payment gateway. So yeah guys, that is how easy to connect your Shopify store or account with Stripe. If you guys found this tutorial helpful, leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching. Until next time.